Hello, and thank you for having requested my master plan to create and sell your courses or coaching program. You will receive it in your inbox in a few minutes, but while you wait, make sure you watch this video because I'm about to give you the opportunity to book a free consultation with me, no obligation and no strings attached. But before we get there, I'm about to reveal you what are the 4 critical mistakes that most people make when it comes to build their online business. These are the 4 things that if you do them wrong, you're gonna struggle and they're gonna break your business. But if you do them right, then you're gonna have a thriving and successful business. Now, maybe you're wondering, who am I and why do I know all those things? Well, my name is Francis. I'm the creator of Soul Business Coaching, where we help people to share their gifts with the world. I've been a coach for other coaches for over 12 years now, and I've been helping hundreds of people to create and to grow their online businesses. These are the same strategies that I use myself, that some of the most successful coaches and consultants in the world use. And also, these are the same strategies that some of my clients have been using to create multiple 6 figures a year businesses. Now, if you want to know more about myself, I encourage you to read my bio down below. But the only real things I truly want you to know about me is that I'm not here just to help you make more money, just to help you build a better business, but actually I'm here to help you have a greater impact. You see, I believe that all of us have within ourselves a gift, a mission, a passion, something that when we do that thing is not only gonna make our life amazing, but it can also touch other people in a special way, and hopefully it can also make the world a better place. So if you're not only looking to nourish your bank account, but also looking to nourish your soul, then my friend, you truly are in the right place. Okay, so let's get on with the 4 critical mistakes that probably you're making, and I want to show you how to fix them. So the first critical mistake, is that people lack a system. And what do I mean by that? Is that people lack a systematized knowledge. They never create their own method, their own methodology, their own structured way of teaching what they know. And if you look at the biggest influencer, the biggest coaches, the biggest counselor, they all have created their own metaphor, their own methodology, their own branded solution to help their clients, and this will help you to sell your services at a high price. Okay, the second one is sequence. And this is not what you think about. I'm not talking about email, I'm not talking about following up. I'm just talking about the fact that coaching and consulting businesses are at their core a relationship business. And think about the relationship in your life that you have with your loved one, with your family, with your friends. They just don't get created overnight, okay? But they get created through a sequence of mindful interactions. You know, you don't go from 0 to marrying someone just like that. You need this sequence of interaction. So when we talk about sequence, I'm talking about crafting a process, a psychological process, and also a technical process that normally we call a funnel to turn strangers into friends and friends into clients. Okay? You need to have that, you need to create this sequence, you need to create this funnel in many different ways that there are. I will show you maybe in some other videos. And this needs to run automatically so that people can learn about your system and how you can help them. Okay, so let's move on to mistake number 3. And yes, you get it, is selling. Now, selling is not a dirty word. I know that many people nowadays misuse and use selling and marketing in a very manipulative way, and most people don't like to be sold. But all of us like to buy. And when you think about selling, is really how the world moves. Is really how everything gets created, great product, great ideas. This is how they move. Now, when I'm talking about selling, I'm talking specifically about high-ticket selling and professional selling. Most people feel uncomfortable selling and they don't know really how to do it, so they try to use these manipulative tactics or that makes you cringe inside and feel very uncomfortable. I'm not talking about these things. Maybe you don't know about it, but there is a way to sell high-ticket coaching or courses in an ethical way, with integrity, with authenticity, and I promise you, when you learn this way, people are gonna love you because you're the first person in their life that really listen to them and really help them and don't try to manipulate them or do something weird that we see online this day a lot, right? Let's get on to mistake number 4. This is in red because it's actually the most important things that most people don't get right, and this one is strategy. When I say strategy, I don't mean just any strategy, I mean an omni-comprehensive strategy. I mean all the pieces of the puzzle in one place. Maybe the most critical, most common mistakes that I see most people doing, and maybe you're doing it too, is that people tend to look at some influencer for their marketing, then they look at someone else on YouTube, then they follow somebody else on Instagram, then they pay some coach to help them with their branding, and at the end, they try to duct tape all those different elements into a comprehensive strategy. But the problem is that it doesn't work. It never works. And if you're doing that, please stop. What you truly need is to design an all-in-one comprehensive strategy from A to Z, which includes, guess what? Your system, your methodology, your own branded solution, your sequence of interaction to turn your strangers into clients. You need to own your selling, and all of these need to organize in an omni-comprehensive strategy. Okay, my friend, if all of these resonate with you, if you are saying, yes, I really need some of those elements, I'm doing some of those things wrong, then I have a good news, is that I'm offering today a free strategic consultation with me, no obligation and no strings attached. So if you feel curious, if you feel that I can maybe help you to build your business and you want to learn more about my master plan, about my methodology, then down below you can book your strategy call. But before you do, please read my criteria below, because this session is not for everyone. This session is only for people who are actually serious and really motivated to take their business to the next level. If that's not you, if you're just browsing, that's okay, that's fine. You're still gonna receive the master plan via email, and check down the page. You can follow me on YouTube. You're gonna receive other training. You can join the WhatsApp group. There is a ton of value coming your way, and I'm happy to have you in the family. If on the other side, you wanna book that call, then go ahead. I'm gonna be happy to meet you on Zoom. We're gonna spend 1 hour together during a collaborative conversation, and we're gonna see if and how I might be able to help you to take your coaching business or online business to the next level. Okay, my friend, that's all for today. I truly hope you learned something useful and that you're gonna apply to your business. Moreover, stay tuned. There are more free training coming your way, and I just really wanted you to welcome you to the family. I hope we're gonna interact in person one day, maybe even meet, but until that moment, follow your dream, create your business, and change the world.